Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new video with the same wig that I had on my previous video by Wiggins Hair. I tried monocurling it, but it just, I don't know. So yeah, this here is a video of how you can apply your wigs without glue, without a wig cap as well. So right now I was getting my wig tried on. I did notice that the hair is shedded in the front, so too much lace right here that I'm gonna have to cut off. So what we're gonna do is, I got the wig on, I have my braids, and these are old braids. And here he goes. Those where you gotta pee. You gotta pee. Alright, so I got my braids in, they're really old. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is refreshing up my scalp with some oil. And the residue you see on my braids was from the foundation from my previous. I tried washing it out, but they gotta do a real wash. It's there to throw me off of what I was talking about. So what I'm doing is just putting these in a little mini bun back there. You want to take, first of all, we gotta fix our wig. So you want to try your wig on, per usual, just like this. Like that. Oh, I got oil on the front. Whatever. So then, yep, just like this. I want to cut off this extra lace. Hate when that happens. And what I'm using today is, it's not glue, it's got to be glue gel. So that's what I'm using. And you're gonna do this, and you're gonna use the same step process I used in my previous video. Popsicle sticks and cotton pads and your 91% alcohol just to clean off any oils or dirt or lotions that you may have on your forehead. So I'm pouring it on now. Clean, 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 clean. Now that we got that clean, we're gonna take our Got to Be glue gel. I'm like running out of it. I haven't used it in a long time. We're gonna make sure every piece of hair is smoothed back. Every piece is smooth back, smooth. All your hairs is out the way, out the way. Now that that's done, I really should have. These combs right here is getting on my nerves, so I'm about to cut them out. And when you're actually doing, it looks so terrible. When you're doing a wig, putting on your wig without a wig cap, and you have an elastic band on there, sometimes these things here, these extra combs can like pull in your hair. So I'm pretty used without it. I used to keep them on when I wasn't used to it, so it's your preference. But if you're doing bald caps, it's really not even necessary to keep these on. Okay, now that they cut off, I can put this back on. So you put your wig back on. So I'm just seeing where I want to put my wig at. So now it's time to put the gel on. So I'm going to put some gel on the palm of my hand. I'm going to take the popsicle stick, start applying on the gel. Thin layers. Thin layers still. I used to do this with my fingers, but I'm gonna do it with the popsicle stick. Okay. Take your blow dryer, put it on medium heat and low. How you know that this is ready for a second layer is you take your finger and it's kind of tacky. So then you put your second layer on. Now it's time to put on the wig. Remember, take your time. You always want to start with the middle. So now switching to voiceover. After you take your scarf off, you want to try to pull on your wig, not too tight or not too hard. Then you want to proceed by taking the alcohol pad and clean off any excess gel you might have put on outside the lace. This is when I start parting my hair for my low side swoop ponytail. And this part is pretty much self-explanatory. All you have to do is watch what I'm doing. If you know how to do a low ponytail with your real hair, you will know how to do one with a wig. You want to make sure it's really smooth. I really did this on wet hair. It goes completely better with wet hair, so I recommend doing it on wet hair. I love my rose water spray. I put it on my face like almost every night. It's just the best. And it feels so awesome. This is the finished result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and bye.